Hi guys, in the day 7 we will learn array in the JavaScript. Array is a very important chapter in any programming language. Same like in the JavaScript we will learn about array. Array is the data structure in which we store multiple values having same consecutive memory location and same data type. So many advantage to use array in any programming language. Different functionality we can get using array. So in the JavaScript, array have their own important. So in this class I will share some outline that we will cover in the day 7. You will be clear about array, how to you can use array in JavaScript, and different program related to array I will share with you in the form of exercises for clearing your concept. So this is just outline that I will share and I will explain in day 7. So first of all, I will teach you in a separate video introduction to array. What is basically array? An array declaration and initialization, how you can declare a array and initialize a array. Different terminologies of array. There are different terminologies. You should know about that terms. If you are learning array, that I will share also terminologies related to array. Problem 1 related to array. I will share a problem for your practice and I also provide solution of that problem related to array, and also I will provide another problem related to array to clear your concept. So in the next there are different built-in method we can use in the array. One of them is a push, pop, shift, unshift, index of, length, and join and slice. So these are different methods that we will use in the array, and I also provide a video lecture in which you will be cleared how you can use this method in the array. Anyhow, if you face any problem, any issue while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.